asking. You have to put those components and make the circuit.
No. It's not the correct value. Again, click on resistor. Make it ohm from the drop down menu. It is right now k ohm. You have to make it only ohm. Yes. Now push the button. Working. And rename the project as switching LED using push button. Alman,
To make it as similar as the piezo one. I mean, like how you did with the LED, the piezo also done.
okay, good. Till then, Tahira, those who have completed the buzzer activity also.
Now with one
Now-
battery to each, all one battery wires have already.
Apply your logic. Think.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a node is left or right side, ma'am, of the.
You won't. See, you should not attach the positive of LED and positive of buzzer. Though I appreciate your efforts, you have made the circuit very well. But you should connect the positive of buzzer to positive of 5G and anode of LED to 5G directly.
Now it's 220 ohm, right?
Yes. Yeah, I can see. Please rename the project as multiple LED glowing using Arduino.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for the class.
Thank you, ma'am, for this class. Bye.